What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to change the battery in this Fiat flip key remote fob. This Fiat key fob is going to use replacement battery CR2032, and I'll put a link in the description box of this video to where you can find these replacement batteries if you're in need. The other thing I'm going to be using to replace this key fob battery is a small flathead screwdriver. So the first thing we want to do is grab our key fob and flip the key blade out. Then if we take a look at that space where that key is when it's pushed in, you can see right here, you see a little icon of a lock and an unlock, and then there's a screw pointing to it. So right now it's in the locked position. What I'm going to do is put my screwdriver in that screw and then rotate that down until it's pointing to the unlock. Then once you have that unlocked, what I'm going to do is come in here like this and get my screwdriver on the end and pry up on this. And it's going to pry out this little battery tray. Once you get it started, you can pull it the rest of the way out with your hands like that. So then in this tray is our key fob battery, and it'll just slide out like that. We'll grab our new replacement battery, and this part, you'll see one side has a metal piece and one side is just plastic. On the plastic piece right here, you want your plus side up on this piece, and you can also see right here there's a little plus sign. So you want your battery situated in there like that, and then we'll put this back in. And if you notice on this side there's a little bit of a hook. That's kind of what we need to start in first. So I'm going to come in here like this and get that hook down in there. And then once that part of it is started in there, the rest of it will push down. And I actually didn't get it hooked on right there. So again, get your hook down in there like that. And then push down, make sure that's sitting in there flush. And then opposite of what we did in the beginning, I'll come in here and turn the screw to the locked position like that. And that's it. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.